Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the ninth question in exercise 4.2. If A is a square matrix of order 3 and determinant of 3A is equal to K into determinant of A, find the value of K. So what is given to us is determinant of 3A is equal to K into determinant of A. But we know that determinant of 3A is equal to 3 power n into determinant of A, where n is going to be the order of the matrix. So since here n is equal to 3, this can be written as 3 cube determinant of A. So 3 cube is nothing but 27 into determinant of A. So if you compare K into determinant of A and 27 into determinant of A, we realize that K's value is equal to 27. We realize that K's value is equal to 27. In the next video, we will find the solution for the ninth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.